Varicose veins are usually an issue with the appearance of our legs and also cause some fatigue and pain. The fact is that most women will have it at some point in their lives. Of course, varicose veins also happen in men, but they are more common in women. Varicose veins are dilated veins that can appear in different areas of the body, but usually are more seen on the legs. Although it is seen as an aesthetic issue, varicosities indicate that something isn't going well with your blood circulation. Do you know what the role of veins in your body are? They are responsible for transporting the blood that flowed through the body back to the heart, and from there to the lungs, where the exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen happens. When this exchange doesn't happen in the right way, it causes poor circulation, heavy feeling in the legs, itchiness, or even embolism. Thinking about an alternative and efficient way of treating varicose veins naturally and at home, we will show you some essential oils that can help you with this issue. The topical use of essential oils can be beneficial to treat many skin diseases while also working on your beauty care. But how do essential oils help you? The oils help stimulate the lymphatic system, improving blood circulation and acting as anti-inflammatories and toners, which strengthen the walls of the veins and eliminates the sensation of tired legs. The oils that can help you to naturally treat varicose veins are the ones that are rich in monoterpenes found in flowerless plants. See which oils you can use. Cypress. Cypress essential oil acts to alleviate and reduce the occurrence of varicose veins through its anti-inflammatory properties, which stimulates the blood flow and reduces inflammation in the veins. You can mix 10 drops of cypress oil with 5 drops of chamomile oil and 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Mix the oils in a glass or ceramic bowl and store in a dark glass bottle. You can have a 5-minute massage rubbing the oils on your legs with movements that start down and go all the way up, stimulating the blood flow gently and without pressure. After the massage, let your skin absorb the remaining oil. Do it every 2 days for 4 to 8 weeks to see the results. If your varicose veins are too large and voluminous, you can do it every day. Are you enjoying the video so far? Then give us your opinion to let us know how we're helping you and your health. Also, give the video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who needs to watch this. Peppermint and rosemary. These 2 oils are great muscle relaxants and help a lot with stimulating blood flow. Besides that, they are also analgesic, refreshing, and can treat inflammation naturally. In this case, we will teach you how to make a cold compress using the oils. Grab a cloth or towel and dampen it with water. Leave it in the fridge for 10 minutes. After that, add 3 drops of peppermint essential oil and another 3 of rosemary oil. Now with the cold cloth and the oils, massage your legs doing down to upwards movements which favors the circulation. After that, elevate your legs for 20 minutes. You can take this time to read a book or relax. After this, take a relaxing shower and finish it with some cold water on your legs. If you want a more complete treatment, you can also try Atlas cedarwood and Himalayan cedarwood essential oils, which are great against varicose veins, stretch marks, and cellulitis. If you are pregnant or nursing, please talk to a doctor before starting this treatment. Besides that, to avoid the occurrence of varicose veins, you can practice physical activities, maintain a balanced diet rich in fiber, and lose weight if you are overweight. If you try one of these recipes, share your experiences with us, and if you already knew them, tell us what you think. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.